Ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bayalam da ka National People's Party kalapun tim bakalapun kre menta da ka roadmap banyo sedang biang ya ka kamti doyong ha ka jala ka bala syakhang ha ka National Green Tribunal nadu kasnam arajar khatsa. Ya kanela pentep do menteri rangba kejala ukonrat kongkal sangma kum ke jubab ya ke jingpen sngau jong ke nong tik do yong ke belas ngau benyau ya ke jingpen slam jong ke sokar jala ban pentik na ya ke jing yok biang ban sedang tik do yong wat hadin hinyau benai balaweng ya ke hukum jong ke National Green Tribunal da ke yeng syari bah klik du jong kari ke Supreme Court.
La ban kedau hang ne bagi yang syari bahakli do jongkari ke Supreme Court hau nai tung kesnam arajar kat kendai kelapan sengi eno eko hukum jong ke National Green Tribunal ke bakhang ti do yong hak jela ndrei kala bo pat ke kendon bak jela kadai ban bot renti gi kendon jong ke MMDR Act habati u do yong kejela kala lat mental nyo benai ke hukum khang ti do yong jong ke National Green Tribunal ndrei kam pat la apat ban sedang ya ke jingti na kedau ke jing bamla ke sarkar jela ban penbiak renti igi jing don kambaro. Habaikan bikilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ke Jelau liatu bagi sarkar kelasem kia bahai ke negakam naduk kesengi ke basdang. Bat kikam kumbalong mentak layat hak lenti ke badai. Uloong bagi jing sempor jongkakam ke namar bagi sarkar kadang penkere ek lenti bertemai bat ke roadmap ke balong kat kum ke hukum jongka yang syari ke bahakli duk jongkari ke Supreme Court. Upentip bagi nong ti do yong bat kitrai par do yong menta kilala ban apply nepha iki mining plan joki syak sarkar India bahkan ajing menjur kenang bagi niok man sedang no yak jing ti do yong. Namarkan ni uletho bagi sarkar kelas sedang menta ban ai gijing hikai iki nong ti do yong ha ka bedai bat kerukom penkre iki mining plan bat kerukom apply syak sarkar India. Uong bakawai pat kebenta bapen slam ke kam kadai kejing hap tuklar ke kam bedai bat kejing lila mi udo yong balai pu arlak metric ton kabadai ban liat ke Coal India Limited kat kum hukum jok yang syari. Ulitho bagi sarkar kala penlot bon kapor bat ke Coal India Limited bat kum juru bat ke MSTC kabadai ke Mineral and Scrap Auctioning Agency nalor ke National Green Tribunal na kebenta ban penwandor ya kamat trekam halor kum no ban lila mi udo yong. Uang bagi jing penuan dore kamat terekam keladap nadu ubenai risau kesenam arajar kat kendai. Ndrei mentakan ni kamat terekam kadang don hapok jing bishar jongga National Green Tribunal.
As I said, that the mining plans and all those aspects are already, two parties have already in fact applied, to the state government with mining plans. And these are people who have done mining in different parts of the country as well as different parts of the world with a technology that is acceptable under the tunnel mining process and in the kind of the topography and the different kind of the topography that is there in our region. So therefore things are moving in a positive manner. It does take time. I understand that our miners are also concerned about it, and they should be also. But let me assure them that things are far more in a positive level than it was in the last 4 years. In the last 4-5 years, there was no sense of direction where we were heading, what is going to happen. At least we have a roadmap now. The question is now the implementing the roadmap is a new process, and that's why it was taking some time. But let me assure everybody that government is working very hard on it. We have done our job in a very systematic manner to ensure that the Supreme Court, we fought the case in Supreme Court, we got a positive positive outcome from there. And now obviously the next step, which we're working in the past 9 months, 8 months now in fact, is to try and get the system in place, the policies in place, so that the mining can start. And for that also, as I said, training has started now on different levels.
So this policy for transportation and auctioning of coal, we know that it has to get the approval of that NGT panel.
Absolutely.
Right.
So that is what is taking time. We had in fact completed the entire process of making the plan along with Coal India last year itself. By the month of September, October, it was already ready. But the NGT committee and panel had sat down and they were looking into those details, and that has taken a few months now. So since October, November, December, now January and February. So the NGT panel is studying that. But apart from that, from our side and Coal India side, we had frozen the process in the month of October itself.